Now yes, I just grabbed my Hellcat key, but I'm actually not doing a video today on the Hellcat. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tim. This is Redline Rehab. Awesome video for you today. We are finally getting an exhaust system for my Neon SRT4. We went with the Mpx Modern Performance full stainless steel, catted even, unfortunately, exhaust. So we're gonna make sure we do that today. But before we go, I recently found out having a license plate cover over your license plate here in Utah is illegal. So I've got to swap that out real quick. I liked having this cover on there because it kind of gave it that tinted look, but when you're driving a Hellcat, you really don't want to draw any attention that could get you pulled over. And of course, I had to go with a license plate frame here to show and tell people what this car is if they don't already know. How thoughtful of me. I'm not skilled enough to put that on with one hand, so I think that looks pretty good. You know, the car came with these carbon fiber stripes, and this is a little carbon fiber type of printing around this frame. Yeah, the frame's a little bit more gloss, but this is a little bit more matte, but this will work. And of course, gotta do a cold start. So I recently did a video on an installation project we have for the AM water meth injection all kit. So I left my car at my buddy's house, and since then I ordered the exhaust. That's why I have to take my Hellcat over there. So we've got my Neon SRT4, the White Knight, at my buddy Mike's house. He's gonna be the one that's gonna help me do the exhaust install. So we're gonna head there, gonna get the exhaust installed. The stock exhaust on the Neon SRT4 is a 2 1/4 inch exhaust. We're going to a full 3-inch stainless steel exhaust, and that's gonna wake it up a lot. It's definitely gonna be able to breathe better. I'll talk more about it in this video, what kind of numbers and gains we may be looking at, but we're really not gonna be able to drive it because it's not tuned for that much larger of an exhaust. But we'll definitely have a video on it, and we're gonna do a before and after on what the exhaust at least sounds like and show you the differences. It'll be really cool. Made it. Okay. There he is.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Hi.
There she is. In all of her power.
What's up?
Oh man, just excited for this.
Yeah.
How's the exhaust looking?
Good. Made sure all the pieces were there.
Awesome.
Everything seems to be there, so
Wow.
should be sounding a lot better for you.
Yeah, more power. That's why we do it. Dang. We got the bung on it too for the wideband and
Yep, they welded the second bung in there.
nice. This is the cat, right?
Yep.
Okay, so this has a cat. There it is.
Attention EPA.
Yes.
Has a cat.
Oh, that's great. Well, onward we go, yeah?
Yeah, let's get her done.
Nice. Mike's yet to see the Hellcat, so naturally he's got to check that out real quick.
Well, isn't that just gorgeous?
Yeah. F8 green.
Beautiful car.
It's a boat, but yeah, it moves.
Yeah, that's a speedboat. I like how you did that orange eye.
Yeah, you know, the red eyes have a little red eye,
Yeah.
and yes, I know this isn't a red eye or an orange eye, but the orange goes with everything on there. So
It works.
I really like it too.
Stands out.
Pops.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, she's.
You know, if you see this car, you know it's 10.
Yep. I had someone telling me that it reminds them of Michelangelo, that Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Yeah.
I thought that was pretty funny.
Green and orange.
The green and orange.
You get a Michelangelo sticker for the back windshield.
Yeah. Give it a pair of nunchucks somewhere and
There you go.
don't mess with it.
Awesome car, man.
Oh, thank you. We'll have to go out in it too.
Yeah.
Granted, yours is faster.
Yeah. So it's been said, but
So, oh, I'm sure.
proven.
We are going to run them. We're going to run them. And I'm going to bet on you winning because I know that's a bet I would lose.
Looks like I'm going to win either way then.
Oh.
Do you want to start this up?
Yeah, let's start it just for audio comparison reasons. Okay, bud, let's start it.
You want to start it and then just let it idle for a second?
Yeah.
Rev it?
No, should we rev it?
We can rev it a little bit. Just get an idea of what it sounds like with some throttle.
I'm just being mindful of the neighbors, but let's do it.
I hear that all the time.
They do, they're used to it. Okay. That's pretty pathetic. Yeah, that's pretty quiet. You're right. The neighbors didn't even hear that.
I couldn't even hear it.
Well, we're going to change that. You couldn't even hear it. Okay. This piece is the downpipe. So the top here will bolt on to the bottom of the O2 housing. This is the bung where my wideband will read for air-fuel ratios. Here's the cat, and then this is for the O2 sensor. And if you can see in here, get some, you can see that it is not a hollowed cap. I'm doing this for emission purposes. So this is the stock downpipe on it. So wideband, this is the O2 sensor, and this is the cat, right? And so right here, I don't know how well you can see the size difference, but yeah, that's a huge difference. So as I mentioned before, this is 2 1/4. We're going up to the full 3-inch exhaust there, and you may be wondering, like, how much more airflow is that really? And so if we look at cross-sectional surface with circles, and how even though you're going from a 2 1/4 to a 3-inch exhaust, this actually constitutes a 33% increase in that size and the diameter, but it actually equates to a 77.6 increase in cross-sectional surface area. So that actually equates to a ton more airflow, so we can produce a lot more power. That's an easy way to get them out.
Yeah, if you do it, I learned the hard way. If you put this on, so it obviously just got this slit for the wires there.
Mm-hmm.
And if you do it with a power tool, you have to go really slow, because what's happened before is I've pressed the trigger, this has swung around and smacked me in the knuckles, and it doesn't feel good.
Okay, to nerd out a little bit more from these calculations of numbers with exhaust flow. So this 3-inch exhaust will actually flow as much air as though we had 2 stock exhausts that were 2 inches and an 1/8, 2 1/8 inch exhaust. So this one exhaust would flow as much. So maybe that gives you an idea on how much air this is actually going to flow and how much better it's going to be. A 77% increase over the stock exhaust. And what will we be able to do with that, Mike?
What will we be able to do with that?
Yeah.
We'll be able to push tons of air through that exhaust and go fast. And Race Hellcats and beat them.
Beat Hellcats. That's okay. I'm okay with my Hellcat losing.
If you upgrade to a 4-inch, you could beat Demons.
Ooh, the Demon Killer, Neon SRT4. No, I'm not talking trash. I've driven a Demon. They're amazing. I just love Mopar, right? Mopar or no car. So this is the Modern Performance invoice. So, you know, I had to get that O2 sensor bung for the wideband. That added 35 bucks. Like I saw, the welding and stuff was included. So here's the price of the exhaust itself. The torque solutions, those big rubber stopper things for the hanger, is all there. So all of this stuff shipped out. It was an even $1,000. So if you're looking at getting this, that's probably close to what you're going to be paying for it.
Pretty unique.
Oh, it looks great.
Sits right in the middle, which is nice.
There you go. Only the best, Mike.
Ooh, let's start it.
Well, we got to get it down first, right? I know, I can't wait.
Well, let's start it, and I'll climb under here, check for any leaks. No leaks, then we'll drop it.
Okay, let's start it. Much better. Yeah, let's rev it a little bit. So cool. Shots fired. Wow. Good job.
Yeah, it was fun.
Look at you all dirty. Gosh.
I know. I charge extra for that.
Good. I pay extra for that. Wow. That's so neat. I can't wait. More power. Open this thing up. Let it breathe more. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I mean, the car's tuned, but now that we have the exhaust on there, we can't just go driving it and wide open throttling it. So we're gonna have to get it retuned. So another video coming for that. Also, we're gonna be getting that second nozzle for the AEM water methanol injection. And so there's just so much more to come with my Neon SRT4. It's gonna be a blast. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe. Also, give me some ideas. Like, if I upgrade my turbo, what turbo do you think I should upgrade to? Right now, it's got the AGP 50 trim turbo. What would you recommend? If you have a recommendation, put it in the comment. I'd like to see, because maybe that's another thing we'll do here soon. Again, thanks for watching. See you later.